Hi everyone, it's Todd with Mosby and I'm here with Laura Powderly. She's a designer with Mosby Building Arts, and today we are at a kitchen photo shoot of a kitchen we recently completed. So Laura, can you tell us a little bit about the kitchen and what we did with it?
Sure. The original layout featured some angled walls. We had a physical drywall angled wall that was originally installed here with some angled cabinetry. And then we also had a corner sink cabinet that was at an angle. And in order to have the most open look and maximize our storage in the existing space, we took this false wall out. That was really a waste of space because there was nothing in the wall behind it, no piping or anything like that, and created a corner over here where we highlighted a Lazy Susan. And then also we were able to move the sink cabinet and get better usage of the cabinet, so that way we didn't have a corner cabinet, diagonal cabinet that was unusable.
Excellent. Yeah, it's a great looking kitchen. There's actually a couple of features, really unique features that we wanted to point out to you as well. So these are two of your favorite things about the kitchen.
Yes. So a lot of times when you need to maximize your storage and space, sometimes a blind corner is one of your only options. But in order to not lose that item for 10 years that you never find again, this is a great way. It's a cabinet accessory that I like to call it. It's kind of like the icing on the cake, like your jewelry. But in this case, instead of decoratively, it was more for function for us. These accessories actually come installed in the cabinet and they pull out so that you can access the items you need. You're not on your hands and knees getting back in there crawling trying to find the deep abyss, as I call it. But it's a great way to utilize the space and get the storage that you need, because storage and function were really important to us as we went through the design planning stages of this project. And also they have the soft close is always standard for us. My other favorite thing, if you come over here, something that I feel like a lot of people don't think about is the end finishing. You know, typically you may not have put some of these panels on here. We actually took a filler cap in panel, so that way we created a piece that was flush with the door, so it kind of made it a more finished custom look. And we also put false panels on the side that match the door style. That way it gives it more of a complete custom look. It's two of my favorite things.
Excellent. Well, you did a great job designing it. It's a beautiful kitchen. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found it interesting, and we'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Mark McClanahan. I'm the president of Mosby Building Arts. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and click the like button below. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section and we'll make sure to get an answer to you. For future videos, just go ahead and subscribe. And if you'd like to have a deeper conversation about your home, go ahead and click the link down there in the description area. We'll make sure to contact you. Thanks again for watching this video.